Hi, good afternoon.
Hello.
My name is Faiz and I am your speaking examiner for today's test. Before we begin the test, I'd like to have a few details. What's your full name?
Srinidesh Gali.
Could you help me spell that?
SRINIDHISH.
S-H-G-A-L-I.
GALI.
Or how would you like to be called?
Nitish.
Nitish. Right, Nitish, before we begin the test, let me ask you these questions. Have you ever taken the test before?
No.
First time taking the test, right? Do you understand the format of the test?
Yes.
And let's begin the test.
Yeah.
In the first part of the test, Nitish, I'd like to ask you a few questions about yourself. What do you do, Nitish?
I am a high school student.
Mhm.
I do my 11th grade, and I study in Residence Global Campus in Madhapur, and it is situated in the heart of Madhapur, where the facilities around the college are really good.
All right. What do you like about your college?
I like the faculty, the principal, the initiations he takes, and the faculty, how they portray the subject into our minds. It's really good.
Who's your favorite teacher?
I like my physics teacher. His name is Shailendra Singh. He's from Udaipur.
All right.
He teaches physics.
What do you like about him?
He's a very skillful person in the subject. He has a vast knowledge in the subject. He communicates in a way where a layman also can understand. So that makes really great difference.
Fair enough. What's your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is physics because it talks about things happening in our daily lives. It tells why a specific thing is happening.
I'm going to ask you a few questions about food. Do you like food?
Yes, very much. Yes.
And
I would be liking biryani. I'd be liking fast food.
what's your favorite food, Nitish?
I like biryani, and especially chicken biryani because it is stew rice made of dum, and when the taste of it and the smell of it, the aroma of it is really good.
Do you think it is important to follow a diet?
It is much important because in the present situation around the world, health issues are rising, and to follow a proper diet, to follow a balanced diet, it is really required to maintain your health, because it is expected that a person would be the age limit of a person is decreasing day by day as you're progressing in the world.
Okay. And how many meals a day do you have?
I have 4 meals: breakfast, lunch, snacks, and dinner.
All right. And which one's your favorite meal?
I would say lunch because I do it heavily because I need that meal to fulfill my day, because I need a lot of energy for the rest of the day. So I'd say and lunch keeps my mind healthy. It helps me to concentrate on things.
Fair enough. Thank you so much, Nitish. This brings us to the end of the first part of the test. We shall now move on to the second part of the test, where I am going to be giving you a cue card.
Thank you.
Your cue card, Nitish, is... Go ahead. Give you a piece of paper to work on.
1 minute later.
Nitish, your minute's up. I want you to please stop writing. Return the pen so I could write. Thank you so much. And go ahead, you may begin to speak now.
So today I'll be talking about my favorite celebrity, who is Cristiano Ronaldo. He's from Portugal. He's a professional footballer. He plays for Portuguese. He has done he's a very inspiring man. He does various charity things. He's one of the best in his kind. He has won many championship awards, and he's really good at what he does. And on the field, he's a rock star. He's a person who never be defendable. And the general public, they think that he's a god of football. The sportsmanship of him, or the rage of him which he intends to play the football game, is really good. He's a very respectable man in the community, and he is a man who is the best of the kind for present generation. He has been sponsored by big brands like Nike and Adidas and various brands.
Fair enough. Thank you so much. This brings us to the end of the second part of the test. Nitish, We shall now move on to the third part of the test where I'm going to ask you more questions about celebrities. Krishe, what makes a good celebrity?
Person who has a good influence in others, who helps others in a way where they can also come to success, brings them into a good celebrity.
Nitish, do you think celebrities make good role models?
For me, yes, because people look up to celebrities. They follow celebrities and they try to be the celebrities, they imitate celebrities. They want to be like them. So it really is a role model.
Alright. Do you think all celebrities are talented?
No. Because talent and skill is a little different. The skill which is present would give the celebrity a person who is.
Do you think there is a lot of news about celebrities on TV?
Yes. Celebrities are everywhere. That's what makes them popular. When they are popular, the people also follow them.
Fair enough. Thank you so much. That was the last question. This brings us to the end of the test. You've done really well, Nitish.